Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Farming Simulator 22 with your friends step by step. First, launch the game and select Multiplayer from the main menu, then choose Create Session or Join a Friend. Next, pick your farm settings, invite friends by name or friend list, and set roles like Driver or Manager. Finally, confirm everyone loads into the same session to begin cooperative farming together. When hosting, pick a session name friends will recognize and set a secure password if desired. Choose roles and permissions carefully so tractors, storage, and money are shared how you want. Consider enabling save frequency to protect progress and invite players early to sync mods or DLC. Communicate crop plans and equipment needs to avoid overlaps and ensure a smooth cooperative experience on the farm. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides and tips. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof containers for long multiplayer sessions to keep snacks tidy and save time between tasks. Check the description for the link and other deals to snag a set for yourself, then hit pause on the ad. Now let's get back to the video. To join, accept an invite or search the session name and enter the password if required, then load into the host's world. Make sure your game and any mods match the host version to avoid errors. Once joined, pick your role, test vehicle control, and agree on immediate tasks like fertilizing or harvesting. Keep communication open to prioritize jobs and maintain smooth teamwork across the farm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.